This building is a guest house in the Gion district in Kyoto. It's been about 8 years since the garden was built, but it's still in a beautiful state because the gardener comes once a year to perform annual maintenance. Although there was a garden here originally, Sano-san was called to renovate the garden to create a bolder Japanese aesthetic. The main features of this garden are the red pine and the water basin in the center of the garden. The red pine cuts cleanly through the space and adds depth to the otherwise small garden. It also serves to cleanly connect the height of the floor inside the house and the height of the garden. This water basin has a very interesting design. Later, I'll explain in detail. A pump is used to create a cycle of water flow and ensure that water is constantly flowing through the basin. This was designed in a way to make sure that the water ripples would flicker and shimmer beautifully. Although we're filming during the day, the majority of people who come to the guest house arrive at night. To make sure that the guests can enjoy the garden even at night, we've placed a light inside the stone lantern. It's designed so that guests can enjoy the light reflecting off the shimmering water. Also, a stained glass panel is installed in the stone lantern. The interplay between the multicolored light from the stained glass and the rippling surface of the water basin create a special resonance in this garden.